Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota, and I want to take a minute and show you how to use a feature on your 200 Series Land Cruiser called Turn Assist. Let me show you how it works. First of all, put your car into low, and then we're going to go ahead and turn on the crawl control. Doesn't matter what speed you have selected, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the 3rd mile per hour, the 3rd option. And then we're going to press the Turn Assist function here. And again, the point of this feature is that it kind of eliminates a switchback potentially if you're needing to turn quickly, or if you need to turn sharply, excuse me. Essentially, you're going to cut off about 4 or 5 feet off of the turn radius. So once you have the feature enabled, go ahead and pick your desired speed, turn the wheel, and let the car drive itself. And then to turn it off, it's just as simple as pressing the exact same button that you pressed to turn it on. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe.